Hey everyone, Christoph here again. I know that it's been a long time I didn't record any videos so far, but I had my own reasons and I haven't been around for some time to shoot any new videos. But today I decided to create video about ClickFunnels on topics like how to set it up, how to create funnels, how to connect custom domain to ClickFunnels because I had a pleasure recently to speak with nice guy who doesn't know anything about affiliate marketing, and he said he want to try it out. He wants to give it a try and start to make money online because, as everybody of us, he wants to make more money. So this is especially for him. I'm creating this video because he asked me if I can show him how to do it. In here you see my ClickBank snapshot. Just no earnings whatsoever, but we won't be talking about ClickBank this time. We will be talking about ClickFunnels. So this is our main ClickFunnels account. As you can see, it's brand new, opened yesterday just for purpose of this video. No sales and just brand new. So as you can see, no contacts in here, no visitors to my funnels because I ain't got any funnels, and no funnels in here. Zero. Brand new account just for purpose of this video. So here we go. To build a funnel, what you want to click is this green button, build funnel. So you click that and that will take you to funnel builder. We've got like options: collect emails, sell your product, or host webinar. I'm usually and custom funnel. I'm usually choosing collect emails because that's what this is for. So let's choose collect emails. Now we can name our funnel. I don't know, simple opt-in form. Let's say simple opt-in form. Opt-in form. Okay, and then we can leave the group tag as it is. And next step, we press is build funnel. Oh, sorry, full. Okay, let's build a funnel. On this website, on this page actually, we've got templates to choose from. There's a plenty of templates we can choose for free. Let's see, the simplest we can have is that one. Okay, let's preview that one. Yeah, that's the simplest funnel we can have. Yeah, so let's choose that one. So we click select template and you can see that's creating our funnel. You see finish setting up all funnel steps to your funnel page successfully created. And boom, here we go. Our funnel is ready. So we'll be editing our funnel page. So we click this orange button edit page. And that's where the funnel starts actually. Okay, so that's our funnel. You can see background picture. We've got some text in here. We've got our opt-in form. So to check this background picture, so what we do, we go to settings in here. On the other settings on just on the left hand side, we click on background, and then from background we click BG image. We choose the image we recently uploaded, double click it, and we should have image in the back. Then full center fit, where it says image position, full center fit, and we'll see how does it looks like. And you see our image is now on the back of our page. You see, we're not like mother funnel secrets. We don't want to call it just opt-in form. So this sign in here, mother funnel secrets, this is kinda your logo. So if you don't have a logo, you can just delete that one. We will delete it. And if you have a logo, what you want to do, you can add elements and you can add columns or you can add rows and or sections. Sections is the big stuff in here, the green stuff. You can see that's the green stuff in here. That's the sections. Rows, I reckon rows is the orange one. Let me quickly have a look because I don't remember now. You just drag and dropping. see, drop in here, and we've got, it's building a row. Yeah, so it built us a row. Now elements, what do we want to put there? We click add new element, and we've got actually everything what we need. We've got image pop-up, we've got image, we've got video, we've got headline, we've got sub-headline. So let's say we want to put some headline in here. And now let's call it. We'll just do the test. So we are just testing our new funnel inside Clickfunnels account. Okay, now in here, in this little window, we just typed in our text we wanted to show to people. So this text is actually black. As you can see, it's black. So to change the text color, we're just clicking this gear icon. The menu will pop up, and we've got text color, bold color, and background color. So what do? We're changing text color, let's say to white. Boom, you see? The text became white now, so everyone can see it. And now in here, another thing, what we can call it is like we can write things like, if you interested to see how it works, put your details below. This is just example. And then we press this gear button and change the font size now. So let's change the font size to 26. So you see, here we go. If you're interested to see how it works, put your details below. And then we change that one again. Gear button, change to 26 or maybe 30. And then top margin, that gives us the size in between one and the other one. You see how it's dropping down? That gives us the size between two lines. So let's leave, maybe change to 50 so that will be more visible. And then we can call it something like, if you're interested to see how it works, put it below, and will be more than happy to help you. So we can remove that one, this select from 200 templates. We can remove that text, or we can change this text. We can say, in example, like don't worry, we are not try to sell you anything. This is just examples, guys, because this is to show you how easy it is to create your first landing page so you can collect email addresses and grow your email list. So this is the form. As you can see, this is the email form, and to change anything in here in this form, you just click this gear button, and you can change everything you want in here. Input text, which means what people has to put it there, like email address, first name, address, a phone number, etc., etc. We'll leave it as email address. And this is the text you see on this white window. What you see in here, this is the text in here. Let's say when I delete that one, and I can write, put your email address in here. That's it, we've changed that. and this is required. We can choose the fonts, what we want the font to be. There's different fonts we can choose from. Let's say that one. I don't know what's that, but let's do that one, and then return. Even we can change the button in here, because this is like ugly blue button, so we can change the buttons in here as well. Let me quickly have a look. This is the button color. We can even leave it red. We can do it black. We can do blue, all the shades of blue, and we can change the shape of the button as well. Let's get rid of the color. Where is it starts? It's like full width or fluid. You see, they changed the size of the button, and you can play with the buttons as many times as you want. Then you can choose the right one for you. You can play with it. You can play with it. You've got plenty of times to play. So, like shadows, let's say 2 pixels shadow sharp, and you see this round stuff. The edges they came different color. It's plenty of things to be play with. We can do like shadow darker. We can do like blurry shadow. These letters in here they get shadowed. Look, I don't know if you will see, but you can play with it when you'll be creating your funnel. So they're different shades of it. We can even pick an icon. So like arrows, or we can even uh, do something like that. This is the one icon from one side, and we will choose the other icon from the other side as the other arrow. Not what people wants to look like. You see, we've got them 2 arrows added up now. So that's the button effect. That's the nice thing, because that might be like pulsing. You see this shadow pulsing up now, or we can like a rocking, so it will move around. We can do like bouncing, so that will encourage people to click on that. Elevate, so that means when we hover out on it, that will just go up and go down. Even wobble, same. When you're on the website, when you point the mouse on the button, that will just wobble. So yeah, let's do pulse glove for this example. And in here you can even do spacing in between these letters on your button. So you see they just gone wider. If I do like a 3 pixel space, they gone even wider. So it's a very nice thing to play around. You can choose anything you want. You can do anything you want with the buttons. You can do anything you want with the opt-in form, and you can even choose different type of the buttons. You see, like 3D button, a rounded button, like that one. It's totally up to you how you will get your opt-in form looks like. So even button text, what you can do, you can write uh, show me now or something like that. Subtext, this is a little text goes underneath this white side, so I can't wait to see that. You see? And we've got this little text in here underneath the show me now. So this is what you do. This is how you do. But how to connect this button to collect your email addresses to your email list. So again, you click this gear button, and when you click the set action, choose submit order form, and then when someone clicks, will be added to your order form, and you will collect email addresses. So to do that, however, you have to integrate your ClickFunnels with autoresponder. So I'll show you in next video. The other video will be short. So the purpose of this video was to show you how quick and easy you can create your very first funnel and start collecting email addresses to grow your email list. Just so you know that people, they are more likely to give you their email address if you will give them something in exchange. By giving them what they want, they are happy to give you their email address. This is how this works. If you're looking for free things, you have to give free things. Let's say if you're looking for free email addresses, you have to give people something for free as well. It doesn't need to be some big stuff. It doesn't need to be like, hours and hours of training for free. No, it doesn't need to be like that. Enough if you will give them an ebook saying like how to build a house, in example. If you want to target people who wants to build their own dream house, or how to drive a car, how to start up the car, how to fix the engine, anything you've got in your mind, any idea you've got in your mind, that when you give it for people to people for free, they'll be able and they will keen to give you their email addresses so you can collect it, grow your email list, and then promote it anything to them. So that's how it works. Everywhere in the world, people want something for free. Everywhere. And this is not a difference. They want everything for free. So we need to know what they need so that they'll be keen to exchange for their email address. But this was ready template, but and I show you how to do with a blank template. Okay, so let's try to create funnel from blank templates. So what you want to do to get out of this funnel, we're just clicking on this Clickfunnels icon and we press the funnels. That will give us all list the funnels we've got already. Or we can add new funnel. So, and here we've got cookbook builder and we've got classic builder. On cookbook, you've got different, I would say, different categories of building funnels. Auto speaker, coach, like personalities, professional services, retail, e-commerce, network marketing, other, and then we've got different types of funnels: generate leads, sell a product, create an event, and other. And same in here, we've got different funnels on this side, so we can select the right funnel for us to build it. What we're looking for is a squeeze page funnel, that one, or lead magnet. Select lead magnet funnel from. You've got short video explaining you what you do and how you do. We've got type of the funnel, it's lead, how many pages, it's 2, and how much time it takes you to build it. And we've got all them funnels, which is the free ones, blank lead magnet. We click that one and I show you how to create funnel from blank template where you put everything by yourself. Now you don't have anything to follow, but you just need to be creative and create by your own way. Okay, so let's get this funnel. I won't be able to cover everything on this video because there's loads of things to be covered up. So you will have to try and find out by yourself a few things. But if you can't find it, just let me know in a comment and I'll shoot a very short video on the things you have a big problems with, so I can show you how to do it instead of looking. As we can see in here, it's a blank lead magnet funnel. We've got 2 steps: lead magnet and thank you page. Lead magnet, this is usually front page where they're putting email address and you wanted to give them something in exchange. Thank you page is usually link for your giveaway so they can download it. You can see opt-in blank start. We select this template and here we go. we will create our funnel just from scratch. We don't follow anyone else's funnels. This is funnel where we can use our creativity and put all the information we want to put, so people will see what they get in exchange for the email address. So let's start editing. Okay, here we go. So we can delete that one straight away because we don't need that. We can delete that one as well, and we can delete that one. And here we've got like add new section. So we click that and we'll add new section, and we do full width, and it's building full width. Don't worry about that because that will be going down and down and down. So let's do add new row, and here we've got one column, two columns, left sidebar, right sidebar, 6 columns. So I'll show you the difference. One column is just only one scribe, yeah? When you do 2 columns, it will give you 2 separate elements. So let's say in this element, we can add picture, we can add image, and in here, we can add text. Let's say headline. And then, if you want to add more text, you have to add row. And then you're choosing again one column or 2 columns. Let's try with 1 column. You're just dragging and dropping, you see? Just dragging and dropping. Let's drop in here. We've got 1 column in here. Then we're adding element again. Element will be like headline. So we can put something in here. You can even add element by pressing this plus button, which that will give us element, and we can put sub headline in underneath it as well, you see? Then again in here we can add new element. We can add sub headline. Again, when we hover over these orange lines, we can add new element. Let's say that will be our bullet list. When we press that demo image, we can upload image. So to change the image, you just click on this image icon. But let's choose some small image from my computer, this little one, so that won't be on the full side. Let's say any image I can have, like affiliate marketing from scratch. Let's say that one. So we will teach them how to do affiliate marketing from scratch. Double click, and here we go. Here we go. This is our image, and we can even shrink it up. So let's do 100 of pixels. We can do 1000 of pixels, or we can do, let's say, 250 pixels. It's smaller image. We can do, let's say, 500 pixels. We've got bigger, 300 pixels. It's up to you how big image that will be. So let's leave it default. And then link URL, so that means when someone clicks on that image, that will take them to a link. So themes, same. You can have frame around your image, different frames around your image. Your image might be like rounded. You see in here, it's rounded now. Can be like shaded or anything you want. Can have like a white frame around. Can have a bigger frame around. You see them gray frames around in here. You just need to play with it and see what's the best works for you. I'm just showing you how easy it is to do it. And then you align. We can align to right side, or we can align to center, or we can align to left side. So we can even do the borders, dark thumbnails borders. Let's say shadows, full shadow, and you see this gray shadow came up. And then grayscale, we can use full color or black and white. You see the email change the color in black and white. So yeah, it's different stuff you can do about it. Even the visibility, you can like strong fade, almost invisible. We can do like stronger fade, we can do like strong fade, or we can do light fade, or we can do no fade, full visible. Okay, so this is our section first. Then we've got, let's say we offer them our ebook. Let's say this is our ebook. This is what they get in an ebook. Just normal text, what benefits from the ebook. You can even change them icons in here. You see them black icons? You can change them by clicking this gear icon, and you can change them to different ones. Look at that icon list, or that might be order list. You see, 1, 2, 3. Let's stay with icon list, and we do text color. Let's say red. You see, text changed to red, but we want icon color to be blue, and we've got icons blue and text red. And the bold color, let's say we want to have blue as well. And you see, we've got bold color blue and just only text red. And now what we can do, we can change the look of the icons. They might be faded, they might be rounded, they might be red, they might be like lined up. It's different. It's different stuff. You see, they in the frames, they in green but really faded frame. They might be in the little circles around, in the squares around, or they might be just simple ticks. So it's up to you how you how you will do this quiz page, how that will look. It's up for your imagination. You just need to be as much creative as you want, as you can. So same in it. Icon picker, you can pick different icon type. Let's say what we can choose, even emoticons. Look, they'll change to emoticons. You see, they might be like apple, or they might be like arrows, but not that one. Let's do arrow down where we've got it. They might be different, like that arrow. It's different things you can do about that. You just play around and see what is good for you. How check on the preview how does it looks like. So yeah, so that's about them icons. Always you can press the preview to see how looks your opt-in page. Because I didn't save it, that gives us blank template. But when I save that, because we have to remember that everything we do we have to save to keep progress. If we won't save, we come out with this arrow on exit, will not save. We'll still have the page we started from. So let's save that one. It says updates will appear, blah blah blah. So, and then when I refresh that page in here, that should give us, you see, that's what we created. And this is my awesome landing page powered by Clickbank. You can change this title as well. I'll show you how to change it as well. And this little funny icon on the top, like this is the squirrel or something, you can change it also as well. So I show you step by step. In here, as you can see, my awesome landing page. So this is SEO metadata. So that means what your landing page will be named if someone type in Google, let's say make money online free ebook, and then we can call a description, please feel free to download my free ebook on how to make money online. So that's your description. And then keywords you can use like I don't know, ebook, make money online, home-based business, anything you want. author, that's your name, so let's say, let's put my name. And social image, that will be image shown on this description in here. So I choose same image like that. You see, that's how that will be look like displayed. And then we come out of that. That's saved. And now look at that. Look at this. Uh, look at this sign. It's my awesome landing page. And when I refresh the page, should be changed. Hasn't been saved. Okay, let's save changes now. And try to refresh the page now. They should change to your. You see, make money online free ebook. That has changed to the name you gave it. This page in here is our offer to people to give us email address. But now we want to put our opt-in form, because where they press the button where to go, they don't know where they will go, they don't know how to download it. So now we have to add simply new row. So we press this plus button and we choose one column again, and then we add new element. And now in this element we're looking for opt-in form. Yes, input. You see this input, we add that because that will be then the name or whatever. Then we add another element, we put second input, so form, then we put another input which that will be name, and then we want to put another row to put a button in. Oh sorry, not that, we need element, orange one, element, and then we go to forms on the side and then we put the button. Our opt-in page is nearly ready, but this is, for me, that looks a bit long. To make it short, what you do, you click this gear and we go into the settings. You see this where it says width, this number 100, we can shrink it down to a smaller number so that will look neater. Even if we do 40 or 50, let's say, okay, let's do 50. See, it's smaller and looks much better. So we just shrinked it up, and now we didn't finish with email box. So click on the side of this window so we can go back to our site and so we can carry on. So now we're clicking on this gear in here, on orange gear, so we can change the email address field. Click this gear in here, and then when it says input type, we choose email address, and then we leave this written text as it is. We don't change the font, so we're clicking on a site to go back to the screen, and we've got that ready. Now we have to do the button again. So let's change settings. We don't need to have a subtext. If we don't want a font size, we leave, let's say 26 maybe. Too big, 22. Yeah, let's stick with 22. Okay, now text we can change, like download, click here, get your free ebook. Now let's say, okay, so we've got that one ready. Subtext we don't need it, fonts we don't need to change. Button color we can change to, I don't know, red one. Let's leave red one. And you can see in here, warning, button action not set. And now we leave it to go to website URL and we fill it later. So back, click on the site. We'd like to save it so we don't lose our form now. And when we do preview, look at that now. Boom, we've got our form. So someone puts their name, email address, and when click get free ebook now, will be sent to our ebook download page. So by saying that, um, we've got our squeeze page ready. It's a template, so it's free template. You can modify as much as you want. I didn't put the text. The text is up to you. So the next thing is that we need to send this button somewhere. But before we do that, we go to settings, and then we wanna go to general, and it says on submit go to something. So this is our next page in the funnel, and when you see digital assets, we have to give people something they can download. So to do that, we have to go back to our Clickfunnels account and upload our assets we want to give away for free, which I'll show you in a second. So let's go back for now to our thank you page, because everything is saved, everything is ready, we don't lose it. We can easily go back to our thank you page. We will set up our thank you page. Now, next step is a thank you page. And again, thank you page, we can use any templates we want, but I would stick with blank template. On thank you page, we can leave in the end like video or something, saying that thank you for joining me. Your ebook is on its way. There is a blank one. Okay, select this template. We edit this template. Let me quickly download any other images, so I show you how to use it as a background as well in this one. Okay, as we can see, we still got this sign in here. We can delete it or leave it and edit that. Let's delete it. Delete that as well, because we'll create our custom. We can actually leave this one. We don't need to delete the green one. So on the settings, we will try to change the background. Image URL, upload image, just so that will be, it's up to us. You don't need to, you don't need to. Let's just do background image. Okay, we've got background image set up, and what you can do in here, we can even download like thank you images. Let's see. And we can use it as a thank you word. Let's say this one. Let's go with thank you. I'm just showing you the example, so you don't need to do it. You can just type in, but I'm just showing you example. So in here we put new row. We do one column, and in this row we add element, and we do a picture this time. We do image. So we click on the image, and we upload the thank you image we just downloaded. So yeah, thank you. Okay, how does it look like? No, that doesn't look nice. Let's check if without backgrounds that would be look much more nicer. So let's delete that one. Okay, how does it look? Yeah, it's on white. Yeah, you see it's better without background. So thank you, and then new row in here, and we do again column, we do element. So let's do headline this time, and thank you, and then we say for requesting your free ebook. Please give it a few minutes before it will arrive. Something like that. And then what you might even do, if you've got any videos or something, you can add new row. Let's say if you've got any product to sell, so you can do like 2 columns in here, and then on one column you will put element. This time let's do video, and then you can paste in here video of the product you want to sell, and in here let's do headline, and what we can call it, like before you go, you may want to watch this short training about, and then we can do our subject, it might be dropshipping, affiliate marketing, let's say about affiliate marketing. And in next one, again we have to put element, and then we do sub headline. This short video will explain the process of how affiliate marketing works. And then what you can do even in here, so we've got video, we've got explanation what the video is, we've got thank you page, we're thanking them for requesting the ebook, and then when they see the video, then we do next row in here, and we do 1 column, and then on this element we do like headline, and say like to see full video please go to, then you put website address where you want people to go, so when they click this link they'll be taken to your affiliate offer, and then they will watch the training again, the different kind of training, and you can persuade them to buy the product that way. So this is the thank you page, but in the same time it's like a sale page. You just give them a demo shortly about affiliate marketing, and then you will say to see full training video, maybe full training video please go to, and then you leave the link in here, and that's it. Then we're saving that, and we don't need to do anything in here because we ain't got any buttons or something. You can call it thank you page, thank you page, and then this is thank you page. That's it. And keywords, whatever you can put. Let's do thank you. What else we can do? Like short video, anything you want, which is congruent with the page. And then your name. Let's say I'll put my name. and then social image. We can use the thank you image. So, and now we've got our thank you page ready. Let's check if there is an image in the backend. Yeah, thank you image. Okay. So that's it. That's how it looks like. We created our complete squeeze page with thank you page from the blank template. So you see, you don't need to use the templates pre-made for you. You can use the blank template and play with the words, play with your imagination. So on this settings on thank you page, I don't think we need to change anything, because as I said, we don't have anything like a button or something. So let's go back there, because we need to take the thank you page link address and paste it to previous page we created. So this is our thank you page address, and what we want to do, want to copy it as it is. Want to copy full address. So copy, and then we click on lead magnet, and we have to go inside and edit our lead magnet template, our front page. So we edit this page. Let's edit now. So we are inside our lead magnet, our first page, and then you click on the button in here, and then settings, and you have to set action and submit order, submit form. Click that, and then come out, save it, and that will work. So you can always preview that if that works. So let's put test in here. Test. Let's do test. And test at yahoo.com. We click the button, and that should send us to a thank you page. Boom! Here we go. We've got our thank you page. Thank you for requesting your free ebook. Please give it a few minutes before it will arrive. Before you go, you may want to watch the short training about this. That should be short video. Then when someone click it, will watch the video. It's unavailable, of course, because we didn't put the link in. And then to see full training video, please go to, and then our website address, which someone clicks, will be taken to another website. So that works fine. Now, regards integrations, you have to integrate. You see, it's not connected. That means autoresponder is not connected. You have to select integration from your list and connect it to your email list. So this Clickfunnels has got Actionetics, but I'm not using that. I found it really difficult to create emails and set it up to send emails automatically. So in my next video, I will create email from steps A to Z, how to get autoresponder, how to connect to the autoresponder on Clickfunnels, and how to set up our integration. So that will be covered in my next email. The same is with same will be with our assets. So now we've got everything set up and ready. We go back to from our funnel creation, and we go back to main menu of the funnel, because we have to change the sign blank lead magnet something. So we've got like settings in here, and we've got settings in here. I don't remember which one was correct one. Let's click this settings so I can see. Yes, so that's the one. So you see page name. We can call it free ebook giveaway, and then path. I would put the same path as your name, but instead of that, you would want to separate them with hyphens. So everything from small letters, and then we have to separate it with the hyphens, because otherwise might not work. So hyphen hyphen, and then we've got changed name. We do update page. We've got page updated, and I think we have to change that one as well in here on this settings. Let me quickly have a look, because I'm not sure now. You know, I'm doing this automatically for myself. Yes, and that's the name. Same in here. We can use the name from there, free ebook giveaway. So we just copy it and paste it. Name of this funnel. Then this is for domain. If you've got your custom domain, you can plug it into your domain. I will cover that in next video as well. And the path. This is the names you can see after your link. So what we can do again, we do same name, but we separate it with the hyphens. So let's do that hyphen and do small f. That's it. The head tracking and body tracking, this is for when you've got Facebook pixel installed, so you can track how many people clicked on your link, etc, etc. So when it says favicon URL, this is the URL from this little squirrel you've got on top. You can delete that one completely, so you don't have it. This link, this is shareable link. What that means? That means that you can share this funnel to people you training, you coaching. Let's say when you created some funnel which is quite valuable for you, and you know, I don't know, it gives you the best conversion from leads to sales. You can share the funnel with your audience so they can have for free. They will just change the basic things in the funnel, so that will be them. I can share this funnel with you as well, so you will see how that looks like. Don't worry, the link will be on the description of the video, so don't worry, I will share this funnel with you so you can download it totally for free, and you can change the text. I left it as a default. You can change it completely as you want, so will be free to use. After we changed everything in here, we gave the path, we gave the name, and we deleted the favicon URL. This is integrations with Gmail for I think for autoresponders and sending emails, but I'm not using that. What you do, we just save and update. And same we do with publishing. Exactly, we do the same with publishing as we did on previous step. Same in here, free ebook giveaway, and then we have to do the exactly same thing we did on previous page. So let's paste that and separate with hyphens. So get rid of the capital F, put a hyphen in, change that, hyphen in, and then the only thing we need to do is update funnel. And after that, our funnel is ready to go. What you can do, you can check it. You click this arrow in here, that will take you to next page of your funnel. You see it's free ebook giveaway on the top, which is works fine. Boom, it works. It's simple page. That might take like 30 minutes, 20 minutes to set it up, but on this way you're covering up your affiliate links. You're covering up clickbank links. So when you share your squeeze page on Facebook, no one sees affiliate links, but instead of when you put your submit button, instead of taking you to thank you page, you can just skip this step and Let me show you quickly. Edit that. What I mean by skip it. You remember I mentioned to you about the assets. When you put the assets on the general settings, and we've put it thank you page on in our settings. So after clicking, they'll take us to thank you page. But look what happened when I change in here, and we change this link to a different one. Let's say our affiliate link in here. So when we save the page and when we test it, that should take us straight away to our affiliate offer. Let's see if that works as I mean it will work. Okay, so we put something in here, the name in here, email address in there, and then we press the get free ebook. You see, that took me straight away to my affiliate offer, skipping thank you page. So what I did actually, instead of selling them this product on my thank you page, I just skipped it and I gone straight away to my affiliate offer. That's how we can do it. You can do this anytime you want, every time you want. You don't need to be technical savvy. You know, I just showed you the easiest way to do it. I know it took a long time, but I was trying to explain to you step by step how to do and what to do. But that's how it works. Usually I'm trying to keep my thank you page if I'm not selling anything. So I'm just, sending them email, like they give them details. I'm sending them assets, and in exchange for the email address, and that's it. And I'm sending them to a thank you page. So, and they can, as an example in here, they can watch the video, and if they want to click the website, they can do. And if they don't, they don't. So, but yeah, you can send them straight away to your affiliate offer, which I think is the best. If affiliate offer is the same niche what your squeeze page is about, because otherwise it doesn't make a sense. It won't make a sense when you send someone to, let's say, health and fitness niche, but you're talking about affiliate marketing or e-commerce or whatever it is. You have to think. You have to have open mind and think on what way to do to be the best for you. So, but anyway, this is how you can do it. I know it takes a time, but no one said nothing takes time. I just showed you what you can do using simple blank template without any pictures, without any graphics, made it from scratch. That took us some time because I was explaining what I'm doing. Otherwise, that would take me less time because I know what to do. So on that way, you're ready to go. You can do your funnels anytime you want. If you really like this video, if this video was helpful for you, give the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and put the notification bell so you can see my next videos coming in. I will upload new videos on a regular basis. Twice a week you might expect new video. I will do like a ClickFunnels series videos explaining you about this funnel creation as we did now. Then I will explaining how to connect your custom domain, then how to plug into separate autoresponder if you're using just $97 packet from ClickFunnels, the cheaper option on ClickFunnels. So there will be plenty of useful information for you to learn from. This is what I learned from someone, and I learned by myself when I was testing them ClickFunnels, and I want to show you that what you can learn on yourself as well. So that's it for today, folks, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care then. Bye bye, guys.